If we consider this word a novel, we are all characters. Our lives and incidences are stories. We all have our stories that can be told. The people are linked through stories. Few stories are true and few are created. But all of them are, at the end, stories. Storytelling is not necessarily telling a story, it's communicating a story. One can tell stories using written words, speeches, or even just by body language. We are all born storytellers, and every day we use storytelling for one reason or another. Telling our neighbors, recounting our experiences, or reliving something interesting, chatting about others, or remembering an experience. A good story can make an impression in these three ways. You can either captivate the attention of an audience, move them to tears, or make them laugh. We are going to learn how to do it very soon in this particular program.